Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. When venturing into the wild, having clear vision can make all the difference. The best hunting binoculars under $300 deliver sharp optics, reliable durability, and comfortable handling, ensuring every detail of the terrain and game is seen with precision. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Vortex Optics Crossfire HD 10x42 Binocular. The Vortex Crossfire HD 10x42 Binocular is a well-balanced optic designed for hunters, birdwatchers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want reliable performance without stepping into premium price territory. Featuring 10x magnification and 42mm objective lenses, it delivers a bright, sharp image with impressive clarity across the field of view. The HD optical system is optimized with select glass elements that reduce chromatic aberration and enhance color fidelity, resulting in crisp edge-to-edge sharpness and excellent light transmission in both bright and low-light conditions. Fully multi-coated lenses further boost brightness by maximizing light transfer through every air-to-glass surface. The roof prism design keeps the binocular compact and durable, making it easy to carry on long hikes or extended hunting trips. Adjustable twist-up eye cups ensure comfortable viewing whether you wear glasses or not, while the smooth center focus wheel allows quick, precise adjustments.
Number 2. Leupold BX-2 Alpine HD 10x42 Binocular. The Leupold BX-2 Alpine HD 10x42 Binocular combines lightweight design with dependable optical performance, making it a strong choice for backcountry hunters and wildlife observers. Built around a fully multi-coated lens system, it maximizes brightness, contrast, and color fidelity, delivering a clear and vibrant image even in challenging light. The inclusion of back 4 prisms ensures a perfectly round exit pupil and minimizes edge distortion, resulting in a sharp, crisp view from center to edge. With 10x magnification and 42mm objective lenses, it strikes an effective balance between reach and brightness for versatile field use. One of the standout features is its open bridge roof prism design. This construction reduces weight while enhancing ergonomics, allowing for a comfortable one-handed grip during extended viewing sessions. The shadow gray finish gives it a sleek, understated appearance while maintaining durability in the field. It is 100% waterproof and fogproof, ensuring reliable performance in rain, snow, or humid environments.
Number 3. Bushnell H2O 10x42 Binocular. The Bushnell H2O 10x42 Binocular is purpose-built for water and rugged outdoor environments, making it especially appealing to boaters, anglers, and hunters. With over 70 years of experience behind the brand, Bushnell delivers a model that emphasizes durability and dependable optical clarity. Equipped with premium Bay K4 prisms and fully multi-coated glass surfaces, the H2O provides bright, clear images across varying lighting conditions. The 10x magnification offers strong detail at distance, while the 42mm objective lenses help gather ample light for dawn and dusk viewing. What truly sets the H2O apart is its IPX7 waterproof rating. The O-ring sealed optical system allows the binocular to withstand accidental submersion in water, offering peace of mind in wet conditions. Nitrogen purging prevents internal fogging, ensuring clear viewing even with rapid temperature changes. The rugged rubber armor not only protects against impacts, but also provides a secure, non-slip grip, particularly valuable when hands are wet.
Number 4. Gosky 10x42 HD Binocular. The Gosky 10x42 HD Binocular is designed for outdoor enthusiasts seeking affordability combined with modern features. With 10x magnification and 42mm objective lenses, it offers a wide field of view and bright images suitable for birdwatching, hiking, sightseeing, and sporting events. The optical system incorporates Bay K4 prisms and green fully multi-coated lenses, which help reduce reflected light and improve brightness and sharpness. The result is a clear, vibrant viewing experience that performs well in most daylight conditions. A key highlight is the included smartphone adapter, allowing users to capture photos and videos directly through the binocular. This feature adds significant value for travelers and wildlife observers who enjoy sharing their experiences. The binocular focuses easily using the central focus wheel and right eyepiece diopter adjustment, making it user-friendly even for beginners. The nitrogen-filled, O-ring sealed construction provides waterproof and fog-proof protection, though it is not intended for full immersion.
Number 5. Athlon Optics 10x42 ED Binocular. The Athlon Optics 10x42 ED Binocular stands out for its advanced optical technologies aimed at delivering superior clarity and color accuracy. Featuring ED, extra low dispersion glass, it significantly reduces chromatic aberration, resulting in sharper images with minimal color fringing. This makes it particularly appealing for detailed wildlife observation and long-distance viewing. The ESP dielectric prism coating reflects over 99% of light to the viewer's eyes, enhancing brightness and producing vivid, true-to-life color reproduction. Complemented by advanced fully multi-coated lenses, the binocular ensures optimal light transmission across the visible spectrum. With a field of view measuring 144 meters at 1,000 meters and an angular field of 8.1 degrees, it provides a broad, immersive viewing experience. Choosing the right gear can transform your hunting experience. With the best hunting binoculars under $300, you gain clarity, accuracy, and confidence in the field. Whether spotting distant game or navigating challenging terrain, these binoculars provide dependable performance, making every outing more successful and enjoyable.